Introducing the Public Finance Management Act, commonly known as the PFMA. In this quick video, we explain how the PFMA came into effect, as well as the objectives and some of the benefits of the Act. Welcome back to Public Administration 101. Quick Lesson Edition, proudly brought to you by Kano Consultants. For professional advice you can trust. Before we continue, please check out some of our other videos on this channel. Also make sure that you subscribe to our channel for more videos. Now, let us get into today's video. As a general background, you should know that the Public Finance Management Act is one of the most important pieces of legislation passed by the first democratic government in South Africa. The Act came into effect from the 1st of April 2000, stemming from several sections in the Constitution of South Africa, which require a legislation to be established in order to regulate the management of public funds. The PFMA is part of a broader strategy by government on improving financial management in the public sector. In broad terms, the PFMA adopts an output-based approach to financial management, which focuses on assigning responsibilities. The Act further promotes the objective of good financial management in order to maximize service delivery through the effective and efficient use of government's limited resources. The key objectives of the PFMA can therefore be summarized as to modernise the financial management systems within the public sector, enable public sector managers to manage, but at the same time, be held more accountable, ensure the timely provision of quality information, and eliminate the waste and corruption in the use of public assets. The PFMA has a number of benefits, which would include providing for greater flexibility, outlining the basis for assessing achievements, providing a link between government plans and budgeting, focusing on outputs, and providing better accountability by clarifying roles and responsibilities. This video was proudly brought to you by Kano Consultants. For professional advice you can trust. For more videos on public finance and public administration, make sure that you subscribe to our channel. You can also connect with us by following us on social media at Consult Kano, or engage with us by leaving us a comment under this video. Or you can tag us on social media using the hashtag #ConsultKano. Until next time, check out these other videos. And don't forget to join us again next time for another video.